Imagine a world where a machine can predict your health issues before they even occur. Does it sound like science fiction, or could this be the future of healthcare driven by artificial intelligence? Let's take a moment to explore the current state of AI in healthcare. We're seeing key advancements in the industry that are nothing short of revolutionary. Predictive analytics, for instance, is empowering doctors with unprecedented foresight into potential health risks. AI-powered diagnostics are providing more accurate, faster results, enabling timely intervention and treatment. And let's not forget about patient monitoring systems. These AI marvels are continually tracking patients' health status, keeping doctors informed and patients safer. These are just a few of the many ways AI is transforming healthcare. It's making the system more efficient, the treatments more personalized, and overall, the medical experience far more patient-friendly. If this sounds like a far-fetched dream, then it's time to buckle up and delve into the world of AI in healthcare. Now, you might be wondering, how does AI work in healthcare? Let's break it down. First, let's understand AI, or artificial intelligence, and machine learning. These two concepts go hand in hand. AI refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. Machine learning, a subset of AI, involves algorithms that allow computers to learn from and make decisions or predictions based on data. So how does this all fit into healthcare? Let's look at radiology, for instance. AI algorithms can analyze medical images, detect anomalies, and provide a diagnosis faster and often more accurately than humans. It's like having an extra pair of eyes that never tire, miss a detail, or need a coffee break. Next, consider predictive analytics in patient care. AI can sift through vast amounts of patient data, identify patterns, and predict health risks. This allows doctors to intervene early, potentially preventing serious health issues down the line. And then, there's drug discovery. AI can accelerate the process of drug development by predicting how different compounds interact, thus helping to identify potential new medications more quickly and efficiently. So as we see, AI is not just a concept, but a powerful tool that is revolutionizing healthcare as we know it. It's like having a super intelligent assistant on speed dial, ready to analyze, predict, and assist, making healthcare more efficient, precise, and personalized. But what does the future hold for AI in healthcare? And what are the implications? This is the question on everyone's mind as we delve deeper into the era of digital health. The potential impact of artificial intelligence on healthcare is vast and varied, stretching from improved patient outcomes to increased efficiency within the healthcare system. Let's start with patient outcomes. AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we diagnose and treat diseases. Imagine a world where AI can predict health risks before they become serious issues, or where personalized treatment plans are the norm, not the exception. This could lead to a significant improvement in patient outcomes and overall health. Moving on to efficiency, AI can streamline many administrative tasks, freeing up healthcare professionals to focus on what really matters: patient care. It can automate mundane tasks like scheduling appointments or managing patient records, making the healthcare system more efficient and effective. But it's not all smooth sailing. There are challenges to consider, like data privacy and ethical considerations. How do we ensure that patient data is secure? How do we navigate the ethical minefield that comes with AI decision-making in healthcare? And let's not forget the need for regulatory oversight to make sure that AI is used responsibly and ethically. While there are challenges to overcome, the potential of AI in healthcare is immense, and the future seems promising. This isn't just a trend, it's a revolution, and we're only just getting started. So, are we ready for a future where AI plays a crucial role in healthcare? We've journeyed through the possibilities that AI brings to the healthcare table. From decoding AI to understanding its implications, we've seen the potential for transformative change. Yet it's crucial to address the challenges and ensure responsible use of this technology. As we step into the future, it's clear that AI will play a pivotal role in shaping the healthcare landscape. But one thing is certain: the future of healthcare is here, and it's powered by AI.